food experiences in the countries that we go to are actually the way that we understand the culture and understand the way things are done. This one has been outstanding.
It's been outstanding because it has put us in touch with some of the neat tricks that Nepali cooking masters use every single day, but we never get to see. So the momo and how you fold the momo, how to make masala tea, how you put together the dal, how you make a chapati.
And a carrot pudding.
Carrot pudding, if you can believe it. Carrot pudding. Really grateful to be able to come here in Kathmandu, Tamil, and do something.
Now we are going to start our class. Before that, I am going to introduce you some of the spices that we use in our kitchen, okay? So this is a normal, regular salt, like a sea salt, okay? Do you know fenugreek seeds? Fenugreek?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a fenugreek seed. Okay, so here we are going to make milk masala tea. It's like our culture, those person who are like coming for the first time in our home, we offer them by the tea. So you guys are new to us. So from my side, I'll offer you by the tea and the other foods, okay? Tea, we put 1 full teaspoon of the tea leaves. Here for making the tea, we are using white grain sugar or like a crystal sugar. We are using black tea leaves for the color and flavor. And this one is the tea masala which I made you smell in the spice shop. Now sugar, how much do you prefer for the masala tea? It's like 1 spoon for 1 cup.
Yeah, makes sense.
So if you're from the right age, you'll know the phrase hammer time. But actually now, what are we going to experience? Momo time.
Nepal Cooking School was established in 2012 and later it was associated with the Journey Nepal. So Journey Nepal is a charity organization and both the Nepal Cooking School and Journey Nepal are associated. So the money that comes from cooking goes to charity and we are girl volunteer, 3 girls. We volunteer here so that we could spread our knowledge to the people who are eager to learn Nepalese cooking.
That's what it should look like. You decide. You decide.
Garlic, lime, and we are using some salt. We are using the peppercorns, and this is the roasted sesame seeds, okay? The money that we get here, that goes to the blind women. We are also helping the poor children, those who are wanting to study but do not have enough money to pay their academics.
And so that's the momo on the menu. And this is the momo as it turned out. Perfection.
We are just using flour and water, okay?
You'll need to do that on film.
I see that.
We get to eat lots of food. We are a big foodie and we love people who are very eager to study the cooking, and it's the Journey Nepal and we are girls volunteer here and we are very proud that we get a part of cooking school.
Nice and round. This is an island. This is a
Gavin's.
chapati. Chapati. Dal chapati.
Sugar and the tea masala because it has flavor of cinnamon cardamom. Here we are using ghee and the milk, okay? always loving the food and different types of food from all around the globe, especially the Asian food. Here we present you the Nepal Cooking School, which is located in center of Thamel, Paknachol. You can come here, experience the local cooking with local girl like us, with lots of spices, lots of different experience. So if you really love the food, please do come to Nepal Cooking School.